Hello my dear students, today we will learn the difference between roasting and calcination. So what is this roasting and calcination and why is it done? So this is the process for the extraction of metals from their ores, and this roasting and calcination is done to convert the sulfide or the carbonate ores into their metal oxides, because it is easier to obtain the metal from their oxides rather than from the sulfide or carbonate ores. So many a times difference asked and we mix up both the things. So we will learn a small trick to remember the difference between roasting and calcination. So first of all, roasting is done for sulfide ores. So here is S and here is S. And calcination is done for carbonate ores. So we can quickly find out. Then in roasting, heating is done in the presence of excess air. So S, 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 and in case of this calcination, heating is done in absence of air. Also, in roasting, sulfur dioxide is released, whereas in calcination, CO2 is released. Now, if we see an example, here the zinc sulfide was heated in the presence of air and we got zinc oxide and SO2 gas was released. Whereas in case of the carbonate ore of the zinc, it was heated in the absence of air and we found zinc oxide and carbon dioxide was released. So after obtaining these metal oxides, they will be used to further purify the zinc from these metal oxides. So this was all for today.